Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made this exact video the other day, but I made a little mistake. Well, I made a big mistake. And somebody, one of my viewers or subscribers or somebody just happened to watch my video, caught it. I want to rotate this 15 degrees, and I'm using the transformation Docker rotation. And I wanted to go 15 degrees. Well, I have one copy, and I need 24 because this is a 24-sided pentagon. So I typed in 23. Well, I was on my line, or not on my line. So I'm going to click on the line, and I hit 23. And it looked good, but I made a mistake because there's lines already on the bottom. I only need 11 because I only need 12. So I had double lines. So think about that when you're rotating, because normally I don't rotate stuff like that. I would rotate stuff like this, and let's just cut this line. And on this particular one, I wasn't doing that. So if you don't have that other line, then you need to move your rotation actually to the bottom. And a lot of times Corel do that. It's there. Now you would need to rotate it 23 times to get the 24 because you've already got one copy. So that's the same thing, and I just wasn't thinking. So I think that viewer or subscriber, that's pretty good information. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.